We sampled our entire vintage synth collection and made a massive bundle out of all the sounds. These samples effortlessly blend that timeless analog warmth into your productions. It includes hundreds of analog one-shots, custom presets for Arturia's Analog Lab, and presets for RC20 for finishing up your samples or adding a bit of vintage flavor. Let's take a look at each of the different packs. Timestamps will be available in the video for each of the different sections. First, let's look at the Analog One-Shot pack from Analog R&B Layers Volume 1. This pack is all about adding analog vibe to your productions with textured synths and granular plex. We have accents for adding that final touch to your samples, basses for adding that rich analog low end, classic analog synths with that vintage retro feel. We have lead synthesizers with lots of cool textures and delays baked into the samples. Then next, we have plucks. These are ready to be used as ARPs or easily turned into melodies. And finally, we have these really cool texture synths. These can easily take your melodies to the next level by adding a unique touch to your samples. We also included a preset bank for Arturia's Analog Lab with over 30 custom presets. These are designed to instantly achieve that authentic analog sound and to quickly get ideas started. The presets sound like this. The next one-shot pack that we have is Analog R&B Layers Volume 2. These sounds are drier than the other one-shots, making them easy to layer into your productions, or you can quickly customize them by adding in your favorite effects. For these, we went deep into our synth collection and recorded multiple iconic synths like the Roland Juno 60, Korg MS-20, the OP1, and even a rare 80s synth from Russia called a Polyvox. The first section of this pack is the accents that are used for adding that final texture to your samples. And then we have a folder that's dedicated to rich sounding analog basses. Next, we have lead synths that are used for quickly making analog melodies. The next folder is plucks that are designed for easy layering into your loops. The last folder of the pack is these really cool texture synths that used an analog guitar pedal called a therme to create this really interesting pitch shifting delay on the sounds. Finally, we have the RC20 presets. These presets give your melodies an authentic vintage feel in just a few clicks. Let's see what a few of these presets can do to some full samples. With all the different sounds in this bundle, you can make samples like this. Or loops that sound like this. Thanks for checking out this demo. The download links can be found on our website. We appreciate your support and happy music making.